How to enable passcode lock in IMO. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are on IMO and want to keep your chats more private and secure, then in this tutorial I'll show you how to do that. First of all, launch open your IMO application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into the home page of IMO, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left corner from the home screen. Now, you'll see this Me menu where you need to tap on Settings. Inside Settings, tap on Account and Security. On the next page, tap on the Passcode Lock option at the top, and now click on Enable at the bottom of the screen to enable the passcode lock. Go ahead and enter the passcode you'd like to set using the keypad at the bottom of the screen. After typing down your passcode, re-enter your passcode once again, and you have successfully enabled the passcode lock in the IMO app. So after you enable the passcode lock, go ahead and tap on the auto lock option and select after how long you've been away or you've shown inactivity on the screen. Should the IMO account automatically lock your account, go ahead and select the time duration. After you do that, you can also change your passcode lock whenever you want later, and after some inactivity, your IMO application will lock automatically. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.